today I got a new gadget, and here we are. Unboxing. Don't normally do unboxings, but I thought we'd do one. Because today we got the Mini 3. Knife. No flying more combo. Not a pro. Just a standard Mini. And there's not a lot to it. There we are. First time I've ever opened, so I didn't even know you had to do it. Yeah. Meet Dave. The Mini 3. They're supposed to pick that off. Remove before use. Apparently so. I'm not sure how that comes off. That comes off. Can't read that. Charge to activate internet. Right, okay, fine. Christ, is that the battery? They're so light. Wow. That is so light. I didn't know that was a battery. How do I get this up? Oh, here we go. There we go. It's all done. Do I get anything else in here? Some gel packs. Box is empty. Some instructions. A cable, a screwdriver. Spare pots, which is nice, and some bump, and that is it. That is all you get. That's all you get. One screwdriver. There we go. You don't get a lot in the base model, but meet Dave, the Mini 3.